Okay. So, eating time na guys. Ito yung ulam namin ngayon guys. Oh, very good kuya. Uy! Ayan na guys. Sinabawang gulay. May kangkong, may kamote tops, mayroong malunggay. Okay. So, yan na guys. Kakain na tayo. Let's go! Sarap guys. Dito yung natin guys, gulay. Okay. Welcome back guys to my YouTube channel. Paki-subscribe. Sarap. So, mahilig talaga sa sabaw guys. Oops! La, very good si kuya. Kuya, eat na kuya. Kuya Kevin, eat na daw. Very good si kuya. Very good ang kuya. Yay! Sarap ng ulam guys.